What's up, guys? How's everybody doing out there on this thankful Thursday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today, this afternoon. All right, we are back. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. All right, we're back. I want to do a quick update on a mistake that I made. That's right. I see I made a mistake. And that's what I like about being an internet marketer, a digital marketer, because we test things, okay? We tweak things. And this is how we learn, guys. All right? So, do me a favor. Go check out my project, see what I got going on. Go to this website right here, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check out the website, all right? So let's talk about this. And it's funny, I just discovered this because, again, I'm always testing and checking things out to see what's going on. That's why it's important to have your capture pages so you can check your stats, okay? To see what's working and what's not, or what may have happened. And that's what I discovered today. So I want to go over that with you guys. All right. So let's go over here. All right. Viral Traffic Co-op. Okay. It's not it's nothing wrong with Viral Traffic Co-op. It's a mistake that I see that I made. But let's talk about this one. Let's talk about this first. Viral Traffic Co-op has been around a while. I think it's a great service, something great to have, all right, because without leads, guys, you're not in business. You've got to get eyeballs on your opportunity, whatever you're promoting, right? You've got to get people to go there, okay? Visitors. So that is key. You're only one person. So for me, I do advertising on free traffic, okay, which is what I'm doing right now. But I also do paid advertising, all right? As many visitors as you can get to go to your capture page. That is the name of the game. It's a numbers game, all right? I like to use the analogy, if you were selling a house, right? You have a house on the market. If you don't get folks coming to that house to look at it, what's the chances of you selling it, right? You've got to get the people to the house, right? More people come through that front door, the greater the chances you can get that house sold quicker, all right? So, same thing here, or just like any business, any brick and mortar you may have. Let's say you just open a brick and mortar, you open a coffee shop, a cafe, or whatever. If you don't do any advertising, how are people going to know you're there? Of course, you may get your neighbors there, okay, in that area. They see you. But overall, the masses don't know you're there. You've got to get advertising, right? You got to do advertising, just like the big boxes do. The commercials we see on TV over and over and over and over, that's advertising. When you go to your mailbox and you see all these flyers, that's advertising. The companies and the big boxes know that. It's no different here. We just happen to be online. But you got to get people to your site, right? So Viral Traffic Co-op is a good resource to have. They buy bulk and pass the savings on to us. Discover how to get sales on autopilot with this new hands-free way of getting thousands of high-quality visitors from the very best converting traffic exchanges. So this is another resource, okay? Of course, I also use solo ad vendors too, and those links are in the description as well. All right, so Darren Olander is the CEO of this program. Now, the deal is, I discovered this and I actually purchased one of the packages for July. The way this works is this will run for 30 days. You're placed in a rotator, all right? But he caps it. It don't just run and run and run. It's just 30 days, all right? It's not like a solo ad where you purchase a specific amount of visitors to come to your site that one time. This will run a whole 30 days. That's why it's a co-op. We all are putting in on it. All right. So with the Viral Traffic Co-op, all you have to do is purchase the quantity of co-op packages you would like, starting as low as $25, and give them your URL. Okay. And of course you want to use a capture page, guys. Okay. Because the name of the game is capturing leads. All right. We need to get leads into our autoresponder, into our marketing system, into our funnel. All right, so that we can follow up with those folks. Now, the marketing system will follow up on your behalf and send out emails to your prospects, right? So you definitely want to have a capture page. I would not send them just to a website, okay? So you can easily manage all your campaigns from one location by using the Viral Traffic Co-op, okay? Let's see here. I want to read this part to you. Each month, I pull together all funds allocated towards the co-op and get the best deal I possibly can on traffic. All the sites submitted and approved enter a rotator. Then I assign the traffic to the rotator. Each co-op package you purchase will get you thousands of high-quality visitors, depending on the deals I get for that month. And the campaign will last 1 month. Reorder each month to always have an active campaign or not. It's up to you. There's no forced subscription. So they give you an option to subscribe, and it will be on autopilot, where they will just withdraw that amount if you want a subscription. If you don't, you can just come back each month and get it on your own manually. Now, the way this works as well is you have to get your order into them before, like this started the week of July 1st. So maybe 3 days before the first of the following month, you need to get it in early. Otherwise, it's going to go on the next month. Okay. So I did that, and I am extremely happy with the results I've gotten with this. This is my first time using it, and I bought the $25 package. Let me show you guys the stats, but I want to show you the mistake I made. Okay, that's what this is about, sharing this with you. All right, so let's take a look, and you can go check this out. Get you a free account with Viral Traffic Co-op. Go to my link, www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, and then you'll see here, let's see, where is it? Come all the way down on this page, all the way to the bottom here. See, just click this image right here. All right, get your free account, and then you can purchase your package. So let me show you the packages. Create your account, and right here, check it out. You can get a package as low as $25, $50, $75, $100, $125, $150, $175, $200, $225, $250. Now that I see how it works, I'll be, of course, for next month, I'll probably up it or buy a couple, okay? Because that's the thing. I may use 2 different capture pages for the same opportunity, right? And maybe get 2. So you can mix and match, all right? So right here it tells you there's a one-time payment, and they accept debit cards, right? Or if you want to be on the monthly subscription where every month, okay, without you thinking about it, you can just run this co-op over and over and over, and they'll just deduct that amount from your account. But it's not required. You can just click one-time payment, okay? So I selected that. Now, this is my campaign. Let me show you my campaign. July 25th, I ordered my campaign so that it can run for August. All right, I wanted to get it into them in time so that I can be included in the August run, which is where I am right now. Now, let me show you all the views that I've gotten, which is amazing. All right, so if we go here, let me go to stats. They've got it. So you just go right here. So it says Viral Co-op stats. I could click here. Look, 1,373 hits on the link I provided. Okay, that's amazing. How would you like to have 1,300 visitors at your site? Look at your website, right? Awesome. Now I've got lots of opt-ins, but this is where I made my mistake. I used, and nothing against them, let me show you, hold on. All right, so where I made a mistake is, and I really like Leads Leap, right? I used a Leads Leap link. Now I've since changed this. You see how it's just sitting here, right? It says 120 seconds because I didn't realize, I forgot with Leads Leap, they're going to have these pop-ups. So that's a distraction, right? That's going to be a distraction. When folks come here and they see a bunch of pop-ups, they're going to start clicking all over there versus focusing on here. I've since changed this where it's sitting like this. However, let me show you what I had, and I can edit this. I've edited it, but I want you to see where I had it sitting, and I had it set to. That's why I believe it didn't give me so far the results that I think it could have. It's not over yet, but I'm just pointing something out that I see where I made a mistake. All right, so let me show you. I'm gonna change this and watch what happens. Okay, you see what's happening now? See how all this stuff is popping up? I just went into the settings and edit this. But before, this is where I had mine. Okay, I forgot that it does that in Leads Leap. So people are seeing all of this. Okay, so that is the mistake I made. Next time I will use Bitly. Okay, and there's other traffic tools that you can use as well, but I'm going to use Bitly. But see what happens. Now I'm going to change this, which I just discovered that I can do that, but it's still a distraction, but not as bad as this. So let me show you when I change it. Now watch this. I'm going to switch. I'm going to reset, refresh, so you'll see what I just changed it to, and it will stay here. But unfortunately, once you submit your link to Viral Traffic Co-op, that they can't change it. It's already set for the whole month. But at least now, check this out. The setting that I changed it to, it would just sit here versus those other pop-ups. Okay, see, watch, it'll just sit. And you can't take that off permanently. But at least it's just that going versus the pop-ups, okay? So that's the mistake that I made. So I've gone in here and I've set it to where it's just sitting versus those pop-ups. But that's what I wanted to point out. And I like Leads Leap. It's just that I forgot that those pop-ups will pop up, because that's the whole point of Leads Leap. What they're doing is that's advertising, right? So for everybody that's a part of Leads Leap, you're able to post your ads. And when people share their links, it's also sharing your links in a sense, because they show up just like you just saw, right? So, but I did not mean, so my mistake is I did not mean for that to happen. So for next month, I will use Bitly, okay? So that I won't get this, because we know that's just the way it goes. People are distracted very easily. If they see something else on the left, the right, the bottom, the top, they're going to click it like, oh, well, what is this? And so that takes away from the main thing, okay, which is we're trying to get them to our information here to put the information in. But if we get all those pop-ups, all right, so that's what I wanted you guys to see. But I definitely know this works, because let me also show you in Leads Leap, I can track, right, what the stats are. That's why I wanted to use that link, but I totally forgot about the pop-ups. So let me show you that. So it does pretty much match what the stats that they gave me over here. That way I wanted to know, because this is my first time using them, I want to know for sure, is it really working? Are they sending traffic? So hang on, let me show you that. See right here. So the link that I used in Leads Lead, I can track it. So this is real. Okay, this is the real deal. And see right here, last visited 8/16. So this thing is really cranking out some business for $25, guys. So I'm most definitely will be using Viral Traffic Co-op. It's just that I will be using Bitly next time. All right. So I wanted to point that out to you guys. But so for, and just think, today is what? What is the day? The 15th. You know, it's saying it's ahead of us. The 15th, and this thing runs for the whole month of August. So we've got what? 16 more days? Was it 31 days in this month? So for 16 more days, and I'm already at 1,375. Okay, clicks on this thing. So if I wouldn't have used that link, I believe I would have gotten more opt-ins. Okay, but does it work? It absolutely does, because that's why I'm tracking it with that Leads Lead link. All right, so just wanted to point it out to you. So definitely go check into this. The link is in the description. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Come to this page. Come all the way down here. Click here. Set up your free account. Once you get here, because it doesn't cost you anything to set up the account, but you come here and you get into the co-op. So if you go ahead and get in now, you'll be ready for next month. And if you get in now and you decide you want to edit something or change something, you have time to do that before it kicks off September 1st. Okay? So go check this out. Viral Traffic Co-op. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.